Amazon's Prime Day is still going strong. I have rounded up 20 more of my favorite items that are all on sale. Now, this is part 2. If you missed part 1, I will link that in the description below. Be sure to check that out because I'm sure most of those items are still on sale. Now, keep in mind, deals are subject to change at any time. I will link everything in the description below, pin them to the comments, and they're at the QR code on the screen. Let's get to it. Kicking it off with one of my purchases for Prime Day because these were on sale early. That is the Beats Solo 4 wireless headphones. I've been eyeing these up for a while, but they're a little expensive, typically around $200. For Prime Day, 50% off, around $100. I couldn't resist. I, of course, got the pink, but they do come in multiple colors. Number 2 may be one of the fastest things I've ever added to my cart. It is a simple modern beach bag, pool bag, but do you see what I'm seeing here? The little holes are Barbie's silhouette. Can you even deal? I love Barbie, I love pink. This is right up my alley. Now it does come in other colors. So here is what I love about this. I have a bog bag. This is the same material as those, but with bog bags, the straps tend to get really twisted. It's annoying. With these, I love that the straps are on a hinge, so they easily just flop down to the side and they're out of the way, but it's still that same material that is very easy to clean. Sand rinses right off. So if you need a good pool or beach bag, I cannot recommend these enough. This is the large. They come in other sizes too. I also have a small in just pink. That's a great size as well. So different colors, and yeah, all of them I believe are on sale for Prime Day. Number 3, the latest from Rorry, which is one of my favorite portable chargers. This is their Chom Go collection. Comes in multiple colors. And what I love about this one or all Rorry chargers is that it has 2 charging ports. So you can charge a variety of phone types, and you can even charge headphones with it, but you can also charge an Apple Watch. It has a clip to be able to snap onto a bag. It shows the battery life right on it. Such a good one. Number 4 is the Listen Magsafe Car Mount. If you need a good car mount, what I love about this is it's nice and compact. You can really place this a variety of places in your car. That suction holds nice and strong. It can hold your phone, it can hold a tablet. It's easy to switch from vertical to horizontal, and then when you're not using it, it collapses flat down and out of the way. So I love the products by Listen. You know, I have shouted out their magnetic chargers that go in the back on your phone. This is another great one in their lineup. Number 5, I actually mentioned in video 1, but I'm shouting it out again here because it now comes in a different color. So it's the magnetic charging cord clips that hold your charging cord so that they don't fall to the ground. They're within easy reach. I shared the white ones before. Now they come in black as well. So just highlighting it again, they're about $11.99 on sale for Prime Day. These are just really nice because you don't have to remove the cord whenever you go to take it and move it around your house or somewhere. You can just take the whole clip with it because then it sticks magnetically to its base. And I just love that it keeps cords within easy reach and off of the ground. Number 6 is this Bible in a Year. I'm calling it like a notebook. What I love about this is it's very doable. I'm always looking for easier ways to read through the Bible. If something is too lengthy, I don't do it. If it's too short, I feel like I don't get anything out of it. This looks to be just right. I haven't started it yet. This was one of my purchases for Prime Day as well, but I'm very excited about it. So you'll see here that each day, like it gives you your weeks, and you just read a little bit each day. It has a synopsis to go along with what you're reading, and then there's a reflection at the end of the week, and then there's notes to take notes as well. And I love that it's all just in this compact notebook style book. So if you need an easier way to, read through the Bible and you want a structured system, this could be a good one to check out. Number 7, another great cordless vacuum option that is affordable. This is the Shark Clean and Empty Cordless Vacuum. So many good features I like about this one. First of all, it is super lightweight, but has great strong suction. It is powerful. I love that it can detect when it's going from a hard surface to carpet, and it will just auto change the brush roll to either, do a little more for the carpet or a little less for the hard floor. So it'll adjust automatically there. And then obviously we love the self-emptying feature, so you don't get the dust cloud when you empty it over the trash can. You just put it on the base, it will self-empty and hold the dirt for 30 days before you have to empty it. It has a HEPA filter, about a 40-minute battery runtime, good size canister. I can't say enough good things. If you're in the market for a good new cordless vacuum, I would check this one out. Number 8 is the Shapewear by OEAK. I talk about them all the time for their seamless bras, their thongs with the built-in liner. Their shapewear is just as good. Obviously, I just love the way it will smooth you out under dresses or anything tight. So if you're in the market for some good shapewear, I would grab this on sale. Number 9, one of my favorite two-piece sets, this green one with the scalloped trim. It comes in different colors. I always get so many compliments on this and actually on this shade of green as well, but I love a two-piece set in the summer. It's just so easy to throw on and go and not have to think much of it. So if you like them too, check this one out. It is so good. Number 10, my favorite no scrub shower cleaner. This is by Wet and Forget, and you do as the name says. You wet it and you forget it. Spray this all over your shower, let it sit a few hours, come back, rinse. It's gonna be sparkling clean, and that's all you had to do. Now, here's how I like to use this. So every once in a while, maybe every couple weeks or a month or two, I will give it my shower a good, deep, thorough clean. You can also use this on sinks and tubs as well. So give it a good, deep, thorough clean by hand, and then use this for all those weeks in between to maintain it, save you time, and keep it clean longer until you have time to do a deeper clean. But I think you'll find that this keeps it clean really long, and again, you barely have to do anything. Number 11 is my ice cream maker by Cuisinart. So if you like the idea of a Ninja Creamy, but maybe you don't want the bulk of that machine, this is such a good alternative because it essentially does the same thing, but it's a smaller, more compact size, and I find it to be quicker. So much like the Creamy, you are gonna freeze your containers overnight. I love to make like a protein ice cream. You can make really whatever you want with this, stick it in the freezer, and then get it out, and you're just gonna pop the little handheld device on top and just simply move it up and down a couple times, and it's gonna mix it all up, churn it, and make it nice and creamy. You can add in mix-ins, you can do pretty much all the same stuff. You just, change it to the setting you want. It's quicker and it takes up less space. So definitely a good one for the summer. So happy to see this on sale. Number 12, one of my favorite gardening tools, Grandpa's Weeder. This makes it a breeze to remove weeds, and you're gonna save your back. You don't have to get down on the ground and rip them out by hand. With this, you are simply going to put it over the weed, push down on it, and push down with your foot and pull back, and it will remove the weed, root, and all. It is a little addicting, I will tell you. You'll start by just doing like one or two. Before you know it, you are looking and hoping for more just to use it because it's so satisfying. Number 13 is this diffuser candle. I think this is such a cute invention. So this is a waterless diffuser, but it looks and acts like a real candle. So you take the essential oil of your choice, put it in the bottom. It'll puff out essential oil, every now and then. Smells so good, but you get the look, the flickering flame of a candle, but obviously it's fake. And then when you go to put it out or turn it off, you can put the lid on to extinguish it, or you can actually blow it out, like blow at the flame, and it'll put it out and turn it off. So genius. Number 14, the cleaning tablets by Active. I might have actually mentioned these in video 1. So I'm sorry if I did, but they are so good, they're worth repeating if I did. So this is a great time to stock up on these. One pack is gonna last you 1 to 2 years. You simply toss it in the machine, whichever one you have, and they have them for everything. Washing machine, dishwasher, garbage disposal, septic tank, coffee maker, ice maker, and they are designed to clean the inner workings of the machine so you don't have to. All you have to do is toss it in, run the machine, call it good. It's going to keep the machines working their best for longer and cleaning better. Number 15, the Chom roller. This is a must for any pet owner because it makes it so quick and easy to clean up pet hair off of your furniture, your carpet. So when you don't want to have to lug out a vacuum, all you do with this, there's no charging, no wires, nothing. You just manually run it over the surface that has hair on it by hand. It'll ball it all up in the little chamber. You empty it over the trash, and that is it. It is so quick and easy, and just one of those good methods when you don't want to lug out the vacuum. Number 16, my favorite shower cap by Kitsch. This makes it so you don't get a crease in your hair. You don't have to pull your hair up in a ponytail or with a clip. You can keep your hair down, simply gather it all inside of the shower cap, and it has a nice satin lining, and then you're just gonna roll it down. It has wire around it so you can bend that in, makes it totally leak proof, and then when you're done, you take it off, your hair falls down without creases. Great to use at home or for travel. Number 17, the Castor Oil by Third Layer. I actually think their day spray is also on sale. If it is, I will link it. I love both. The Castor Oil I shout out all the time because I love castor oil like over my liver at night when I sleep as a detox, or on my eyelashes to help them grow. But so many castor oils are so thick and goopy. This one really is not bad at all. It absorbs nicely and it smells so good. So excited to see that these products are on sale. Number Number 18, my Pedometer Watch. I shout this out all the time. If you are not somebody who likes to wear an Apple Watch, but you still want to be able to track maybe calories burned and your steps, and you don't want just like an ugly pedometer, this looks like a real watch. I mean, it is a real watch, but it's also a pedometer, but I just like that it goes a little nicer with my bracelets or with my outfits than maybe an Apple Watch does or a regular pedometer. So if you're in the market for one, check this out. This is on sale. It's a great price. And honestly, I've had mine for years and it looks brand new. It holds up really well. Number 19 is just some of my latest favorite tops that are all on sale. They're all so cute. And what I love is that, like, I'm not a big fashionista, but I just like to look cute, right? I like a simple top I can throw on with jeans or white jeans, jean shorts, you know, you name it, and it just looks cute. So these all have something about them that I love, whether it is maybe a sleeve detail or a pop collar or some color blocking. They're super fun. I always get compliments on them and they're all on sale. And lastly, number 20, my favorite beach chair. Obviously, you could use this beach, pool, or just at home. So my favorite feature is that it has the face cut out and the arm cut out so you can be laying on your stomach and still be comfortable. It has that cushion around your face. You can read a book, you can look at your phone, and then whenever you're on your back, you can either be lying flat or sitting up, and you have the canopy over your head, which is really nice as well. I also love that this has backpack straps, makes it so easy to carry. Comes in other colors, I do believe, not just pink. And the nice thing is, so many that are like this typically are well over $100. This one, even not on sale, is under $100, but it's on sale hopefully at the time that you're seeing this, and even less. All right, and that does it. Just 20 more favorite finds on sale for Prime Day. Like I said in video 1, though, this is just scratching the surface. There's obviously so much more. So I have even more over on my Amazon storefront, and everything's broken down by category there to hopefully make it easier for you. So I will drop the link to that and video 1 in the description below, as well as everything you saw here today. These items are also pinned to the comments or at the QR code on the screen. Happy shopping. Hopefully you're getting some great savings, and I will see you in my next video.